Hey guys, what's up? This is Xpotics. Hope you guys are doing well. I have here a Vetroo extension, cable extension. It has a 24 pin and then the CPU and GPU. I'm gonna get on the screen here. So it has a 124 pin. The CPU is 4 plus 4, so just 8. So if you have a higher end motherboard that has maybe 8 plus 4, you're not gonna have all of them. So you're gonna have to either get 2 kits or just get a different kit. And then it has the graphics, the GPU power. You got 2 8 plus 2, 6 plus 2s. So either you can do, if you have a graphic card that does this 2 6s, then you can use that, and then your 2 cable will just kind of hang off of it. So open her up here. Try to get everything in frame. I can't really see the camera without, I have it kind of set up weird. Okay, so that's everything in the box. Okay, that's really bright blue. I thought it'd be a little darker, but I like that a lot. That's nice. Alright, so you got most of it that's blue, and then you got blue on the sides, grays, on the sides of the blacks. So that's pretty cool. I like the design of that. And it feels good too. I've had other cables from Vetroo, and they're pretty cheap. This cost me $20 on eBay, and it was new. Here are all the cable combs. You get 2, you get 3 of each, it looks like. Come out now. Alright, so there's 3 for the 24 pin, and then then you get 3. Okay, so yeah, the CPU, which is 2 4s, and then the GPU, which is 6 plus 2, so you get 8 total. So they just did, looks like there are 9 of 4s, and then 3 24 pins. So that's cool. So yeah, you get the little sticker on here. It's a CPU, just so people that aren't very familiar with PC cables and stuff, they're not going to get confused now. But yeah, there's no graphics card that uses 4, so it's always for the CPU. And they just get kind of slotted in these little slots right here, and then it stays together really nicely. So that's cool. That actually works really nice. Okay, yep. It's pretty much that. I mean, I can put an extension on one of them. Oh, this goes in your stock cables right here. So it doesn't split apart, so it's very easy to know what it does. So it just goes in your stock cables, and that goes in your this one is the GPU one, so you just put it together just like so. Oh, it pops off pretty easily. I like the CPU one that slides in like that and stays in. You can easily pop that off, so I don't like that too much. But here, I'll just do oh, and this is something you have to think about too, and you can always take this off, or just slide it so you don't see it or something like that. Like, slide it towards your where you plug in the stock. It's not really going any further. It probably is too sticky and it got, I don't know. Okay, so this little push clip right here, that either you gotta look on your graphics card, because some of them are up and then some of them are down. So say it's down, and you can definitely see on your graphics card that it's pointed down. Say for example, I have an R9 390 that's going to go in this build. It's by XFX. What? XFX. Yes. Pretty decent design here. It looks kind of like it's raised, but it's not. It might be slightly raised, but not really. Yeah, I guess it does dip right here. But anyways, the clips on them are down. You can see. I don't have the best lighting in here. Maybe from the side. Kinda. But yeah, you can see them from the side that they are facing down. So this takes an 8 plus 6. So you would face it down like this. So that's what it's going to see right there. The cable is going to look like that, facing down. So you take this, and then I would probably start here because they can slide up. So there's one, pop both of them like that, and then this one, and then there you go. It's pretty easy. we go. And then pop that one in. And that one. And the last two right here. Straight. There we go. Oh, that's not out of the way. There we go. And there you go. Alright. So then you just kind of, this is where you train the cables too. You train them where you want them to go. And then there you go. So you just pull it accordingly so it's all the same size. Then you can just hold it like that. And if you do like say 3 of them here, and it's gonna remember that, and then maybe just bend it and then put it in like something where it's gonna hold the shape that you want, you know. It's not really a huge deal, but if it's like been bent for a few days and then you put in your system, it's gonna know that bent, because that's like, it was, you know, pretty much forced to go that way. So that's pretty much how you do it, is to get the concept. And pretty much showed you the graphics card here, XFX, and yep, it's a R9 390. The display port, sorry, it's pretty close to the camera here. 2 DVIs, and then an HDMI and a display port. And then it's an 8 GB video card, and the back plate is pretty nice. It's a metal, I think. I think it is. It feels metal. Yeah, it's just a dual fan card. There's the heatsink. Like you don't really need the massive cooler like the new 4080s. You know, 4090. But yeah, I'll test it, and after probably in a couple of days, I'll do the build, and probably start doing that tomorrow actually. And yeah, I'll test it and see the temperatures and see how many FPS I get in a couple different games. And another recent thing I got for this build, I have the SSD already, but I had to buy this one, the 750 gig hard drive from Western Digital, so 7200 RPM, pretty clean, and and I have a couple other drives too, so it'll be around a little over a terabyte of storage. So, yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and make sure you guys are subscribed so you guys can see the build video, and take care. Peace.